That's a little bit rugged. Looks like we need a bit of a sharpening. Quick sharpening session. Let's go. So into the honing guide, we'll choose the 30 degrees. Knob up, double check, looking good. And we've got 10,000 stone, 6,000 stone, and 1,000 stone. 1,000 stone, we just need to do enough to create a burr. A little bit more. Use the whole of your stone. That's good, burr all the way across. That one's done. Over to 6,000. All the 5 facets, each corner, intermediaries, down the centre a couple of times to the smoothing plane. Job is done there. Onto the 10,000. Down the centre first of all. Corners. Intermediates. Down the centre because it's a smoothing plane again. Let's have a look. Now at this stage you'll notice you barely won't be able to feel the burr at all. So look for polish, we're looking good. Okay, on to the ruler trick. Just a quick wipe. A little bit with the Nagami stone to expose the cutting face. Good for that. In with your correct ruler, 0.5 millimeter. Get rid of the jig now, we are now finished with the jig. And carefully initially placing the blade over the edge of the stone. Up and down, keeping the scratch pattern the same.
Keep the back of the blade and the ruler dry and you'll find there won't be any suction and you can do it 2 hands without it moving. And that should be quite enough of that. Ready for the final polish on the leather strap.
A little bit of diamond paste, which are 0.5 micron. And we're just going to smear that around. Great thing with the micron is you generally don't have to replenish it. Take your blade, get it to the angle, 30 degrees, starting with the back as we've already turned over with the ruler trick, the burr that way. So starting with the back, light pressure, 5 or 6 strokes. Reverse over. A few on this side as well. Back again. That is ready. Go back in the plane and see if our results are any better. Razor sharp, couldn't feel myself doing it. And away we go. That's a bit healthier.